Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Kunemi. So if you have been tagged, this means this is your uh, free tarot reading video post. However, this reading may also resonate kay Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Okay? So there's burden, and this burden has got something to do with injustice or unfair treatment. Pwedeng pahirapan to have progress regarding a legal issue. So take it however it resonates. This is a general reading, by the way, okay? So if it doesn't resonate, do not take the message. Now, what do you need to focus on is being rash. Make sure na na-assess mong mabuti yung situation bago ka gumora. And make sure na wala kang na-overlook na importanteng bagay, especially if this is a legal issue. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Cups. So there's a big possibility na you are being presented by too many options, you're listening to too many advices, maybe you're considering too many choices sa situation kung anong magandang gawin. Try focusing on what's important, what you want, and make sure you're not being dictated by anything or anyone. Okay? And if you're going to do the possible outcome, yung hindi mo matatapos na, especially if i-step by step mo kung anong gagawin mo sa kada dapat tapusin na priorities. Kasi parang ang dami mong kino-consider eh. Ang dami mong pinapakinggan, ang dami mong tinatandaan. So make sure you're picking up only the important ones para mas mabilis. And another advice, King of Wands reversed, make sure you're not telling anyone what's going on with your life. Make sure you're not giving too many information sa mga hindi naman kasali para para less drama and more accomplishments. Okay? Anyway, that's all I'm seeing here. If you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, just send me a private message. Bye.